Folding kitchen tables are a versatile and convenient addition to any home. There are many products available to choose folding kitchen tables, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best folding kitchen tables from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Choice Products Folding Dining Table. This multi-purpose table made of quality engineered wood and metal can hold up to 100 pounds and can serve as a dining table, office desk, side or entry table, craft table, and more. It has a side cubby, 2 fixed shelves, and 1 adjustable shelf for convenient storage. Built-in wheels and a metal handle make it easy to move and store, and its compact structure is ideal for smaller spaces. The tabletop locks into place whether open or closed to prevent unwanted movement. Number 2. Tip-Topper Folding Dining Table. The Tip-Topper Folding Dining Table is perfect for those who want a versatile table that can be used for many purposes. It has a modern foldable design that can be used as a writing desk or a small stand when folded, and can be converted into a full-size dining table for 4 or a side table for 2 to 3. The table is equipped with 6 sturdy casters, 4 of which are lockable, making it easy to move around the home. It also comes with a 2-layer storage shelf, providing a convenient place to store kitchenware, books, or stationery. The table is easy to assemble and clean, and its wear-resistant and heat-resistant material ensures its longevity. Number 3. Humcom 55-inch Solid Wood Kitchen Table. The Humcom 55-inch Solid Wood Kitchen Table is a versatile and space-saving solution for small dining areas. Its drop-leaf design allows you to extend the table as needed, while the natural pine wood construction adds a touch of natural beauty to your dining area. This table can seat up to 6 people comfortably and can be used for various activities like homework or playing games with the kids. Assembly is required. Number 4. Winsome Wood Hannah Dining. The Winsome Wood Hannah Dining Table is a stylish and practical choice for small spaces. Made from solid and composite wood with a casual light oak finish, the 42-inch round table features a beveled top edge and tapered legs. The table also has drop leaf functionality, allowing you to fold out one or both leaves for space-efficient use. Crossbars can be collapsed for easy, compact storage. Assembly is required, and the table measures 42 inches in diameter and 29.5 inches high. Number 5. Visagal Folding Dining Table. The Visagal Folding Dining Table is a versatile piece of furniture that can seat 2 to 4 people. It is made of engineered wood and alloy steel and features folding brackets and adjustable feet. The table is extendable to 47.2-inch L x 30.7 W, perfect for dinner parties or playing games. It can easily be folded down to a small 33.3-inch L x 30.7 W table for space-saving convenience. Assembly is quick and easy with numbered parts and clear instructions.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.